Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about Zora USDT trading pair after listing with my customer set. Let's dive in. All right, guys. I got analyze the Zora on the Bybit. The lowest point on the Bybit was 0.201 listing price. Another exchange it was like 1 cent. I gotta use the Bybit. A lot of people post a lot of hate comments about the airdrop from Zora. Looks like the team dumped the price and distribute a lot of tokens without announcement about airdrop. A lot of hate now around Zora, so people waste a lot of money for the breach, for the transactions in Zora, and receive. They spent like $2,000, for example. I saw some posts $2,000 and received the airdrop like I don't know, $20. So slowly dying all this hype around the testnet's airdrop. The same story was with NFT, with the metaverse, and I don't know, the first airdrop from Optimism, from Arbitrum, maybe from the outlier was so good, right? But now all of these airdrops, it's become like engagement farming, right? So the project just use the users to spread a word about the project, right? And like everybody talk about our layer 2 protocol, blah, 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 all this stuff. But in fact, it's absolutely useless. Nobody gonna use it after the few months. The same story was with the Starknet. So you remember the Starknet hype when they sent the airdrop, everybody dumped the price and the token dumped under even the listing prices. So what's the point of that attach, of that layer 1, layer 2, layer 0, all of this attached side, fundamental, if nobody use it? Nobody use it. They just imitate the activity. The same story going to be with the Zora. The Coinbase added the Zora and Montel into roadmap. So yes, the Coinbase ventures funds in Baker. So maybe when we'll see the BTC dominance under 50%, yes, maybe they will bring the hype around the Zora. They will push the price so high for Zora because they will just distribute their bags. So take a look. The seed round for Zora was in October 2020. Just mind blowing. That's one point. What I want to tell you all the time. The big funds, they absolutely don't care about the timing because they get a lot of money. They get a lot of money, guys. They can invest on a seed round in some project, right? Wait some gains in the next 5 years and dump at the listing price, at listing. So highly recommend to go and check the vesting schedule. Now 27% tokens only unlock it. Next unlock will be in October. So yes, we get a chance to drop now to zone of interest. I will show you the zone of interest. And September, August, September, October, they can put the price so high. Not so many people track the unlocks, right? And after that, dump the price again. Distribute because they need the time to distribution. Maybe they will distribute step by step till end of I don't know, even the spring 26. We will see. The market cap now 44 million. So basically it's a low cap. FDV 165. So let's check, guys, with indentation accumulation pump model for the SOC and the zone of interest. So here is a listing price on Bybit. So first zone of interest is going to be here. It's 1 cent. So let's say this is going to be the zone of distribution here. How to work with the indentation accumulation pump model. Highly recommend you go and check free educational video. So this is the first zone of interest. This one. So it starts at 1 cent and 0.2079 on the Bybit. Right, on other exchanges, 0.5 followed by FIP will be the invalidation of indentation accumulation pump model. That's why I use the Bybit. So we will see. And this is going to be the best zone to buy. The swing trades here, 140%, 196. After 100%, guys, always withdraw initial deposit. From this block, it's going to be 383 and 566. So, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4 orders. It's a DCA. If you want to use DCA, I'm not a fan of DCA. That's why if you build a plan, just stick to your plan and follow your plan. We talk about a spot. If we use the perps, right, you have to use the proper money management, risk management, the size of position, the leverage, and the stop losses. So the invalidation of this idea if the token dump on the 0.201. I don't think so. The Zora will dump so low, but we get a chance. So you remember the BBL. BBL dumped like crazy. Everybody screamed, oh, it's the first decentralized messenger, social fi and all of this hype. Dump it like crazy, added few zeros from 13 cents, dump it to and add 2 or 3 zeros. So it's wild west, guys. All of these tokens just startups for me, you know, and there's no safe haven, right, for some tokens. Even we get a huge bakers and the big bakers tier 1, tier 2 list. So this is zone of interest. Let's check, guys, with my customer set what's going on now with the Zora. This is a 12 time frame Afria, 4 time frame accumulation on ADZ. So the best case scenario, guys, I wish to see the warranty. Definitely most likely I will skip the Zora. So this is going to be the best case scenario if we'll see something like this one, the warranty on the 4 time frame, this one, and drop something like here in summer, and after that bounce 500, 600%, and even new all-time high for Zora. It's more than real to see. Direction, no data now, 1 hour time frame. Here's the accumulation, and we can form the warranty. Of course, it will be not something like this one. No, most likely it can be the bounces, build a structure. After that, I will stop and start recover move. So we will see. The zone of interest is absolutely relevant. If you wait some targets and the coin not drop to your zone of interest, just better skip the token and not waste the money. Money power, guys. 4 hour time frame, no data. 1 hour time frame here is accumulation. 1, 2. 2 hour was accumulation, but 1 hour time frame it's just local scalp. So here, this is a local bounce. So of course you can trade even the 1 hour time frame. For example, here's a last one, 14%. So that's it. Highly recommend you guys pay attention for the vesting schedule, but now we know the next unlock will be in October, right? But be careful because the people get a lot of tokens from airdrop, and they can dump at any price because they use the multi-hacking. I'm more than sure. Even maybe the team use the multi-hacking. Maybe the venture funds also they use the multi-hacking. So I don't think everything is so fair, right? The venture funds, for example, also can build a farm with the top guys who workers, you know, who can generate, you know, the activity in Zora and receive the airdrop for, I don't know, for 1,000 wallets. And after that, it's free token. They can dump at any price. Trade on 12 time frame, no data. 4 hour time frame, no data. 1 hour time frame. It was a local buy signal. 30 minutes time frame here. Buy signal. 15 minutes time frame. Here's a buy, bounce. Here's a buy, bounce. So of course, no makes sense to analyze lowest time frame. Also, guys, when you see some week like this one, most likely we sooner or later can come back and test 50% of this week. It's going to be minus 0.61 level by 53 cents. But nobody knows when. Also, here's we build a liquidity order flow on 1 hour time frame. So more than real to see 23 level by fee bounce. In this area, everybody starts screaming, we're going to the moon. And we can start build another structure down. And the last indicator, guys, is take profit. 1 hour time frame, no data. 30 minutes time frame here. Buy line on Zora now it's 1 cent 37. For the mile value, it's around the zone of interest 1 cent 0.34. Take profit 2 cents 74. Exit line 3 cents. Let's check on 15 minutes time frame. This one. Same story. Buy line 1 cent 27. For the mile value of this token 0.2095. Take profit 2 cents 53. Exit line 2 cents 87. 88. So yes, we can see, I repeat, we can see something like this one. And after that drop. So guys, I highly recommend you go and check how to work with annotation accumulation pump model. It's totally for free educational video. Join my free Telegram channel. All updates totally for free. All educational content always will be for free. If you'd like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.